Welcome to PRESTO P-D-C-A, your strategic deployment platform for seamless alignment and performance tracking. Our dashboard is structured with the organizational chart represented vertically, providing senior management with top-down visibility. Senior management gain instant access to the Hoshin Kanri X matrix to effortlessly capture long-term goals and strategic initiatives, cascading them down to every level of your organization. Team leaders will benefit from collaborating with their managers to align annual goals and strategic initiatives with their portfolio of key performance indicators. From there, they can begin to easily feed information in real time onto the KPI dashboard as it becomes available. Say goodbye to the frustration of outdated, spreadsheet-focused methodologies. Integrate with any pre-configured applications, and off you go. PRESTO P-D-C-A ensures real-time KPI reporting from the shop floor to the top floor. PRESTO P-D-C-A, empowering your organization to execute strategy with precision. Get started today and make quicker, data-driven decisions to support your staff.